Hi students, this is Kameshwari, Nala Narasimhareddy Education Society Group of Institution, Integrated Campus, accredited by NAC and NBA. My subject Geotechnical Engineering. In previous classes, already discussed a few things regarding Unit 2 Permeability unit. So, in previous classes, we are discussing one related problem, that is effective stress problem. Now, today we are going to discuss about discharge velocity. This problem already discussed in previous class. That one is a very important problem for our semester exams also. Now, the today problem, before going to any problem, first read out problem very carefully. What is the data is given, what are the required data, required formula for determining that one. Here giving estimate its discharge velocity, here giving the discharge velocity. So what is the equation for discharge velocity? Discharge velocity discharge velocity is equal to V. Discharge velocity V is equal to E by 1 plus E into V suffix P. A soil has seepage velocity as 1 into 10 to the power of minus 3 centimeters per second and porosity 0.45 estimates its discharge value. Here given discharge value, seepage velocity as 1 into 10 to the power of minus 3 centimeters per second and porosity E is equal to 0.45, right? Given data. Given data, that is equal to seepage velocity, seepage velocity. What is the symbol of seepage velocity? Seepage velocity V suffix P is equal to 1 into 10 to the power of minus 3 centimeters per second. So V suffix P is equal to V suffix P is equal to 1 into 10 to the power of minus 3 centimeters per second. And next, porosity. What is the abbreviation of porosity? Porosity symbol porosity N is equal to, what is the abbreviation of porosity? N is equal to 0.45. N is equal to 0.45. So here the main formula for discharge velocity, for determining discharge velocity, E by 1 plus E into V suffix P. That means seepage velocity value is given, but void ratio value is not given. How to calculate void ratio E value? We have any related formula for determining void ratio? Yes, we have. So what is that formula? Void ratio E is equal to, in terms of only you can use porosity only. In terms of we can use porosity only. Why? Because of remaining problems will be also there for determining void ratio E. G plus C by 1 plus E into gamma W and G plus SC by 1 plus E into gamma W and G minus 1 by 1 plus E into gamma W. Different types of formulas will be therefore determining E value, but here is not given specific gravity value. So only here only given porosity value. In terms of porosity only we can choose that related formula only for determining void ratio. So that related formula is void ratio E is equal to void ratio E is equal to n by 1 minus n. So what is value of n value? 0.45. That porosity n is equal to 0.45 divided by 1 minus 0.45. What is value of void ratio? What is the value of void ratio? E is equal to 0.82. Void ratio E is equal to 0.82. We have any units for void ratio? No units. So this void ratio value and seepage velocity value we can substitute in main equation discharge velocity, that is equal to void ratio 0.82 0.82 by 1 plus 0.82 into we saw seepage velocity 1 into 10 to the power of minus 3. 1 into 10 to the power of minus 3. 1 into 10 to the power of minus 3. What is the value? 0.82 by 1 plus 0.82. 1 into 10 to the power of minus 3 is equal to point. What is the value? Tell me about discharge velocity value. V is equal to 0.82 by 1 plus 0.82 into seepage velocity 1 into 10 to the power of minus 3. The value is 0.45 into 10 to the power of minus 3 centimeter per second. The units will be centimeter second, or any units will be there? No units, only centimeter per second. So once again repeat this problem. First read out the problem. The problem is very easy. Direct problem is given, direct values will be given. So seepage velocity. First of all, we can know the what is seepage velocity abbreviation. V suffix P. We know about the discharge velocity, but we don't know about what is seepage velocity. That element we don't know about the element. V suffix P. 1 into 10 to the power of minus 3. And porosity. What is the abbreviation of porosity? So porosity is equal to E. Are you E or N? The porosity is equal to N. So do you know about the porosity is N, seepage velocity is equal to V suffix P, and void ratio is equal to E. Otherwise you cannot solve these type of problems. Why? Because of must and should we can learn about the each and everything. What is seepage velocity, what is porosity, saturated unit weight, submerged unit weight, and also units also very important. Why? Because of we can lose that 1 mark units will be very important. For unit weight we can know that what is the units of, what are the units of unit weight of water? The unit weight of water units are kilonewton per meter cube. And for pressure, what are the units? So different types of units will be there. For after completion of problem also we can write, the machine should be write units, either centimeter second or meter per second, whatever may be, we can write the mention. So here discharge velocity V is equal to 0.45 10 to the power of minus 3. Discharge so this is the problem completed. Thank you.